Welcome to our tutorial on the Excel log function. Today, we'll explore how to calculate logarithms with different bases using this versatile mathematical function. The log function in Excel calculates the logarithm of a given number to a specified base. If no base is provided, it defaults to 10, making it the base 10 logarithm. The syntax of the log function is equals log, number, base, where number is the required argument representing the value you want to find the logarithm of, and base is an optional argument that sets the base of the logarithm. To use the log function, simply enter the formula into a cell, and Excel will return the logarithm of the specified number. Let's start with an example. To get the base 10 logarithm of 20, enter equals log 20 in a cell. This will calculate the power to which 10 must be raised to get 20. For a custom base, like finding the base 3 logarithm of 25, use the formula equals log 25, 3. This tells Excel to calculate how many times 3 must be multiplied by itself to reach 25. You can also calculate the natural logarithm, which is based on the constant e, approximately 2.71828. To find the natural logarithm of 10, use equals log 10, 2.71828. Error handling. It's important to note a few things about errors. If the number, or base, is negative or 0, Excel will return a hashtag NUM. Error. If the base is 1, it will return a div by 0 error, as the logarithm of any number to the base 1 is undefined. Additionally, if either the number, or base, is non-numeric, Excel will return a hashtag value. Error. As logarithms can only be calculated for numeric values. Excel also offers other logarithm functions such as log10, which specifically calculates the base 10 logarithm, and lane, which calculates the natural logarithm using the constant e. That concludes our tutorial on the Excel log function. You've learned how to calculate logarithms with different bases and handle potential errors. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials.